If you know that you are staying with a person that snore, your life has scattered. Your future has vanished. Your destiny has been shattered, battered, and torn apart.
Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
How do you cope staying with a person that snore? Do you know that staying with someone that snore is a lifetime battle? You're not just fighting with a person, you are fighting with demons. But I am here to help you because of my father and my mother.
Oh my God!
Number one, if you are staying with a person that snore, always go to bed before them.
Are you serious?
If you guys sleep by 10, go by 7:30.
They think they are sensible.
Because if those people start sleep before you, you will enter an emergency all night. Number two, make sure you buy earpiece or earpod, not to listen to music, but to save your life and destiny.
Jesus is Lord.
Number three, if they snore, overpowers the earpiece or the earpod.
The suffer is real.
My brother, join them and snore.
Azal now.
The only second son of his parents is he advising you, and you are there laughing, doing rubbish. You go cry.
Yourself a season.